Diego, go! The Rainforest Race! We are on Armadillo's race team. Let's get to the start gate. Ready, set, race! The race goes under the nut trees. When the ground quakes, it makes the trees shake. When the trees shake, the nuts fall. When the trees shake, the nuts make the other team slow down. They cannot keep up their fast pace. What can we do? Yeah, Armadillo has a hard shell. Will you make a shell too? Lift up your arms and make a shell. We made it. It is very muddy in this place. How can we make it through the mud? Armadillos are great diggers. She can make a path. The other teams are fast. They might make it to the finish gate first. How can we win the race? What shape can Armadillo make? She can make a ball shape and roll to the finish gate. Curl up and make a ball. Roll, roll, roll. We made it! We won the race! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Go Diego Go stories, check out my Go Diego Go playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.